Hi everyone, it's Mitchell Ram with the Ram Real Estate Group at Coldwell Banker Realty. Today I am in historic Sayler Park. Now this is a quaint river town on the west side of Cincinnati, close to Columbia Parkway, about 10 to 15 minutes to downtown. And I want to introduce you to one of our unique and new listings. We're at 6558 Gracely Drive in the heart of Sayler Park. And we are our new listing that is extremely unique, something that does not come along much. And this is an old church with endless opportunities. Whether it's an event space, a brewery, condos, apartments, or even a restaurant, this has potential to become absolutely anything you'd want. What is nice is we are technically in the city of Cincinnati, so with any major renovation or remodel, you are eligible for a tax abatement. For more information or to see the property in person, please contact me at 513-703-7774.